Charlie's had a good life. Oh, and Charlie's got a good wife.